Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about simple machine. A machine is a tool or device that helps to make a task easier. We use so many machines in our daily life to make our work easier. Some machines are simple and some are complex. The machines which are made up of many parts are called complex machine. Some machines are simple tools. Such machines are called simple machines. A knife, a hammer, a pair of scissors, a needle, screwdriver, a nail cutter, all are examples of simple machine. Probably the first simple machine used by the early humans were strong sticks to dig the tuber or a sharp stone to chop the meat and remove animal skin. Types of simple machine. Wheel and axle. When we have to move a heavy load, we have to use a great force to push it because of frictional force and the gravitational force. Then wheel and axle simple machine is used. In this simple machine, a wheel is locked to a central axis and they rotate each other when a force is applied on either one of them. When we put a heavy load on axle and push it, then rolling of the wheel reduces the friction. Then it takes less force to move something. Wheelbarrow, car steering, bicycle work on wheel and axle. Wedge. A wedge is used to break the heavy object into smaller ones. A wedge is made up of two inclined planes. These planes meet and form a sharp edge. For a wedge, the effort force is applied to the vertical edge of the wedge. Example of wedge are nail sinks into the object. Screw. It is a machine that converts rotational motion into linear motion. A screw has a long and thin metal shaft with threads spreading along its length. The distance between these threads is called pitch. It also had a turning head with a groove where a screwdriver can be used to rotate the screw. The strength of a screw's hold depends on the width of the threads and the distance between them. Screw, bolt, clamp, spinning stool and spiral staircase are examples of screw. Pulley. The pulley helps us in lifting loads vertically by applying force in a suitable and convenient direction. The pulley has a wheel and a rope which rotates the wheel. This leads to an increase in mechanical energy and pushes up the object which we need to lift. Pulley is used in flag hosting rope. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a simple machine that is used to raise heavy bodies using a sloping plane. Sidewalk ramp, inclined conveyor belt, etc. are inclined plane example. Lever. A lever is a bar or board that rests on a support called a fulcrum. Both bar and fulcrum move in different direction. If we apply force in one direction, then the pivot force in the opposite direction. Here the force and distance are inversely proportional to each other. If the force is increased or decreased, it depends on the distance. Hammer and seesaw are the example of lever. Levers can be classified as three different classes of levers. A first class lever. It has the fulcrum between the load and the effort. Seesaw is first class lever. Second class lever. It has the load between the effort and the fulcrum. Wheelbarrow is the second class lever machine. Third class lever. It has the effort between the load and the fulcrum. A third class lever is a fishing rod. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.